Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Easy Massage Intelligent Fitness equipment. First, carefully unbox your new device and ensure all components are present. Next, connect the power adapter to a wall outlet and the equipment. Then, download the dedicated mobile application from your preferred app store. Finally, open the app and follow the simple steps to pair your device using Bluetooth, typically taking less than 30 seconds to establish a connection. Once connected, explore the diverse range of massage modes offered within the application. You'll find programs designed for relaxation, deep tissue, and recovery, each tailored to different needs. Easily select a mode that targets your specific muscle groups, such as your back or shoulders. Adjust the intensity from a gentle level 1 to a powerful level 10, ensuring a personalized and effective massage experience every time you use it. For optimal results, correctly position the intelligent fitness equipment directly on the muscle area you wish to massage. Ensure there is good, firm contact with your skin to maximize the effectiveness of the massage. You can then set your desired session duration, with most users finding 15 to 30 minutes per session ideal. For sustained benefits, aim to use the equipment consistently, perhaps 3 to 4 times each week, to maintain muscle health. To ensure the longevity and hygiene of your Easy massage equipment, always wipe it down with a soft, damp cloth after each use. This helps remove any residue and keeps it fresh. Store your device in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight or extreme temperatures. Remember to fully charge the battery when the low power indicator appears, typically providing several hours of use. For any specific questions, always refer to your comprehensive user manual.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.